Fire in the hole, let's cook a chicken. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to my backyard. Today I'm making a recipe from Steven Richliens' book, Project Fire. This is Peruvian roasted chicken. And we're gonna make the marinade right now. I've got a quarter of a cup of lemon juice right here. We're gonna add some sugar to that. That's 2 teaspoons of sugar to go in there. And then we've got some cilantro, a little bit of cilantro, about a tablespoon of cilantro cut up. And then we've got some mint leaves, about a tablespoon of mint leaves cut up to go in there. And I'll put, don't worry, everything will be in the description, as well as a link to where you can buy the books that I showed you last week. And stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who won a set of Workman's Summer of Cooking cookbooks. This is some garlic, about 6 cloves of garlic chopped up. Not a lot of garlic in there. That's a lot of garlic, okay. Anyway, I'm trying to talk and do this at the same time, and you know, it's probably not going to work out. Anyway, yeah, let me get that all mixed up. Then we've got some salt, pepper, and garlic. You know, that's my blend that I make. We're going to put about a good heaping tablespoon of that in there, and that way we'll be sure to get like a tablespoon of each of the 3 components. And we're making a kind of a paste to put on this chicken. The next thing we got is some dried basil, about a tablespoon of dried basil. That's good stuff. And what else? Oh, we need a glug of olive oil, a glug or 2 of extra virgin olive oil. I'm calling it 3 glugs. So that's how I measure, by glugs. I learned that from Kitchen Daddy. Anyway, what's up, KD? Yeah, let's mix that all up. It's looking good already. It's looking very Peruvian. If you can see that, I don't know. Put it in the sun there where you can see it. Got a very Peruvian look to it. Okay, what else we need? We need some cumin. About a teaspoon of cumin. Even though cumin is very strong, we want cumin, we want the flavor of cumin in this. So that was only about a teaspoon, so let's put about 2 teaspoons of cumin. And then what gives this its beautiful color is some smoked paprika. So we want about a tablespoon of smoked paprika in there. But that's not all. We need to give this a kick. That's going to give it the color. Smoked paprika. But I've also got here some, this is hot paprika, smoked hot paprika. Now that I've dirtied my spoon all up, let me get that off there. We want a teaspoon of smoked hot paprika in there. And we're going to mix that all up into a kind of a paste. Kind of a paste marinade that we're going to marinate this Peruvian chicken with. And then I'm going to get my gloves on, get it all over him, so stay tuned. There's the star of the show, Mr. Chicken, or Mrs. Chicken, as the case may be. And we've got this Peruvian marinade cooked up in here. And we're going to pour a little bit of that on there, on Mr. Chicken. We're going to massage that into him. We want to try to get some up under his skin, if we can. This chicken here is kind of a sorry chicken because he's got a broken leg and part of his skin's already missing. But that just makes it easier to pour the marinade up under his skin, which is not a problem for me. Get some of that marinade up under his skin. Oh man, he's looking good already. I'm going to flip him over. And this is going to marinate all night. I'm going to pour some on the bottom of him. I already spatchcocked him. If you need to know how to spatchcock a chicken, you can, I'll put a link to a recipe that I did before where I spatchcocked the chicken. Anyway, we're going to massage that all in him. Try to get it all up under his skin. Probably help if I took that spoon out of there. Get him turned over again. Get him flipped over for the final approach here. Get that marinade, that last bit of marinade on him. Oh man, that is a beautiful, beautiful red marinade with all that garlic and paprika in there. Look at all that garlic on top of him. Don't he look good? He's looking fantabulous. We're going to leave him overnight in the fridge. And then tomorrow, we'll get him on the grill. Don't he look good already? Can you see that? Oh yeah, that's some good stuff right there. That's a nice, it's not real hot, but it's pretty spicy, Peruvian chicken, marinated Peruvian chicken. So we're going to get him in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow we'll get out here and get him on the grill and cook him up. So stay tuned. My spatchcocked and marinated Peruvian chicken is on the grill. I got a little bit of hickory wood to make a little bit of light smoke. It's going to take about an hour for him to cook. And while he's cooking, we're going to make this green sauce, this Peruvian green sauce. So stay tuned. While the chicken's cooking, we're going to make this green sauce. And if you've ever gone to a Peruvian restaurant, they have on the table a red sauce, a white sauce, and a green sauce. And this is the green sauce. We're going to start this out with some garlic. Got about 10 cloves of garlic. Some of them are small, some of them are big, but they're all assorted cloves of garlic. We got about a cup of cilantro. That's like the main ingredient of this, cilantro. Get that in there. Then we've got 3 jalapeno peppers that we took the seeds out of. Got them in there. Need a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. A bit of that in there. I'm going to put the top on that and punch it down a little bit just to get that cilantro cooked up in there. Sorry about the noise. Okay, that's that. Now all we got to do, get the top back off of it and get some sour cream in there. We need a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm guesstimating that that's about a 1/4 cup of sour cream in our green sauce. And we need also, we need to clean off our spoon, I guess, because we're going to get some mayonnaise. Should have brought a paper towel, but I didn't. We need a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I'm guesstimating on the mayonnaise as well. Okay. Garlic, mayonnaise, sour cream, lemon juice. We need a little bit of lemon juice. Just a touch of lemon juice in there. In there. Just a touch. And some olive oil. Just a glug of olive oil. Not a lot. And this is optional. If you like it, I'm going to put a little bit of mint in there, some mint leaves. Then we're going to blend that all up until it's smooth, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator and serve it with our chicken. So stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show, the Frosty Root Boy mug. Not too frosty today. Here's today's beer from the Knee Deep Brewing Company. This is Fine Craft Beers, Man Juice. Mandarin Orange India Pale Ale, 6.5 alcohol by volume. Brewed by Knee Deep Brewing, Auburn, California. Sounds good to me. Anything's got to be better than that New Belgium beer. That was crap. Anyway, let's pour out this IPA. It's looking good so far. Oh man, it looks really good. That's a real juicy looking IPA right there. Look at the head on that. Has actually got a bit of a orangish flavor or color to it, and that is Man Juice from the Knee Deep Brewing Company, 6.5% alcohol by volume. Let's take a sniff of that. Don't that look good? It's kind of an unfiltered, so it could be a hazy. Oh, it smells great. You could smell the mandarin oranges in that thing. Roll! Let's quaff the froth off it, baby. Ah, that's delicious. You can really taste the orange in their Mandarin Orange IPA Man Juice from the Knee Deep Brewing Company. Yes, sir, that's a good IPA right there. It's about time too. Hey, let's check out my chicken. Now, it may not look exactly like Steven Richliens' chicken, but it's not too shabby, I don't think. And I got that good green sauce going. You know, if you go to a Peruvian restaurant where I live, there's a couple of good ones around here. They always have this on the table. I'm gonna break off a wing, I think. Wow. Well, there you go. Came off the bone. So let me just dip that in some of that sauce and take a bite of that. Mmm, that's great. That marinade with that hot paprika brings a little bit of heat, not overpowering so, but this is one sorry chicken. He had a broken leg and a broken wing, but that sauce is excellent. That's one good ass Yardbird right there. Let me tell you what. Let me get a little bit of that sauce on my meat. Good stuff. Okay, baby, that's my video. Let me tell you what. Let's go through it by the numbers, okay? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up here and check out, oh, what's that dude's name now? Oh man, I'm drawing a blank again. I'll put an iCard up here with some YouTuber's channel that you need to go check out. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who won the cookbooks from Workman's Summer of Cooking. Somebody's going to win a set of excellent looking cookbooks. Look at that chicken, man. It's just falling off the bone. Let me tell you what. Yeah. Stay tuned to the end of the video. And somebody won that those cookbooks. And yeah, my Peruvian chicken tasted pretty good. Didn't look beautiful like Steven Richliens did, but it's okay. It's not bad. And go up in the iCard and check out whoever I put up there. I forgot who I was going to put. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Find out who won the cookbooks from Wednesday. That was just Wednesday. This is Friday. And yeah, if you make this Peruvian chicken dish, make sure you make that sauce with it. That green sauce is out of sight. Let me tell you what. And subscribe to me. Check out the iCard. Stay tuned to the end to find out who won the cookbooks. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And this is a good beer. That Emperor beer that I got from New Belgium, that stuff sucked. This is awesome. It's a hazy Mandarin orange IPA. It's delicious. Oh yeah. That was worth the wait. Anyway, that's my video, babies. We'll see you next week. Thank you to Workman's Summer of Cooking for the cookbook giveaway, and to Steven Richliens for this awesome recipe. And yeah, let's cook something again real soon. Next week maybe, okay? Okay, bye, babies.